The quantities that this works for would be Gibbs, free energy, enthalpy, or entropy. The most common is with enthalpy and sometimes with entropy. Gibbs is not used as much. Quite often the values we have are in standard states, so that's what this little degree means, which is at 1 atmosphere of pressure and 298 Kelvin. What is this general reaction? It's just a way of calculating the change in something. So it's like taking the final minus the initial. Remember, just in general, the change equals the final minus the initial quantity. And so our products are the final and the reactants are the initial. We are typically given molar values. These values are per mole. When we multiply by the moles, this actually cancels and it gives us just the value in kilojoules or joules per Kelvin, depending on the quantity we're working with. So let's talk about the units. Both Gibbs and enthalpy are given typically in kilojoules per mole, so this is a molar quantity. And when we calculate the reaction value, that will cancel the moles. So both Gibbs and enthalpy will be in kilojoules. Entropy also has moles in it and energy, and it also has temperature. Entropy is a smaller quantity, so it's actually just in joules. The magnitudes of entropy are lower typically. The denominator or bottom is in moles Kelvin. So when we calculate the reaction value for entropy, the moles would cancel and we would be left with joules per Kelvin.